Right, by die volgende een gaan ons weer eens moet ontslaa raak van daai 3. Want dit pla ons dat dit op 'n breek is. So to get rid of the 3, we're going to multiply with the lowest common denominator, which will be 3 in this case. Okay, so ons maal met 3 reg deur. So every term we have to multiply with 3. So as ek die eerste een maal met 3, gaan ek oor hê y plus 5. And then I have to multiply the y with 3 as well. So then it's going to be 3y smaller or equal to 3. Okay, dan wil ek ons nou die y alleen hê. So it's going to be 4y on this side smaller or equal to 3 minus 5. So it's 4y smaller or equal to minus 2. Then I take the 4, it's multiplication on this side. Ek maal aan die kant, so nou moet ek deel aan die ander kant. So I divide by 4. So it's going to be minus 2 over 4, but minus 2 over 4 is actually minus 1 over 2. So if I draw my line, oh, that is very skew, then it is the minus 1 over 2. And it is smaller or equal to. So the dot is colored in because it's also equal to. And the line moves to this side because it's smaller than that. Okay. Then lastly, we have this one. And remember, we still want to get the x alone in the middle. Ons nog steeds die x alleen hê in die middel. So ons gaan nog steeds dieselfde doen as wat ons vir die voriges gedoen het, behalwe nou moet ons, wat ook al ons in die middel doen, moet ons aan albei kante doen. Okay. So firstly, to get the x here alone, I'm going to have to get rid of that 1. So if it's plus 1 here, I have to minus 1 on both sides to get rid of it. Okay, so dan gaan ek hê minus 9 minus 1 is kleiner as minus 5x en dit is kleiner as of gelyk aan 21 minus 1. So then I actually have minus 10 and still the minus 5x. And there I have 20. Okay. Then I am going to have to get rid of the minus sign. So ek moet nou ontslaa raak van die minus teken. So I have to get rid of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide throughout everything. I'm going to divide with minus 1. Okay, but if I divide with minus 1, the signs have to change. Okay, so now it's going to be 10 bigger than, and then it's going to be 5x, and it's going to be minus 20. I further divide by 5 to get rid of the 5 before the x, so then it's going to be 2 x minus 20. Oh, sorry, plus. What am I doing? So then it's going to be minus 4. Okay. Okay, and if you have to now show this in a graphical way, we're obviously going to have minus 4 and 2. And x then is somewhere in the middle of that because this actually now says that 2 is bigger than x, or x is smaller than 2. Okay, so x is definitely smaller than 2, but x is also bigger than or equal to 4. So x is obviously then somewhere in between the minus 4 and the 2. Okay, but it can include minus 4, therefore the dot will be colored in. Maar dit is nie gelyk aan 2 nie, so die kolletjie aan die 2 se kant gaan nie ingekleur wees nie. En dan verbind ons net die 2 met mekaar, want ergens in daai lyntjie moet x lê.